Hello, welcome to Milltown Threads. We're weaving together our stories of the past. This is presented by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Today, what is cotton? Cotton is a plant that grows in hot climates. It is a beautiful flower that turns into a cotton ball. In the past, the cotton balls were picked by hand. It is very hard work in the hot sun. It is cotton picking work. Today, it is also harvested by machine. The cotton must be ginned, which ginning is to remove the seeds from the cotton ball. There are some seeds in here, and they have to be taken out gently without ripping the cotton all up. The seeds are used for fertilizer, animal feed, cottonseed oil, mayonnaise, salad dressing, margarine, makeup, plastics, soap, and so much more. After the seeds are removed, the cotton is usually baled up, baled together to travel from the southern states to the northern states. In the 1800s and early 1900s, many of the cotton factories were in Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. The bales were 5 feet tall and weighed 500 pounds. This is a smaller bale. One of the bales could produce as much as 1,200 t-shirts or 375 pairs of men's jeans, which is the most popular cotton product in all the world.